At Tachibana Heavy Industries, we're not just exploring the depths, we're charting humanity's future. For over 40 years, our deep-sea exploration division has pushed the boundaries of what is possible. Our elite diving teams venture deeper than any other. With our cutting-edge technology, our brave diving teams maintain the vast network of undersea cables that we're seeking exceptional individuals to join our deep-sea diving division.
Send a guy down.
Looking for someone who is physically and mentally resilient, comfortable with working under pressure and in total darkness. When faced with unusual situations, sensitive to non-disclosure. While we won't spoil the surprise in our deep-sea operations, we can promise you this: what you'll discover with us will change your understanding of reality forever. Tachibana Heavy Industries, diving deeper than anyone has before. Join us today.